Hello and welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Chris Gayle is the latest sportsman to turn entertainer. The Universe boss today dropped his latest single, We Come Out to Party, featuring the real rich himself, Tanta Blocks.
We are party and in our zone with me shawty until we go home.
The single is produced by DJ Kurt Riley and is distributed by VP Records, VPAL Music. Now, Kurt Riley shared what it was like working on the project.
You know, Tanta Blocks is Tanta Blocks. He's rich. He has a lot of energy. So he brought his A game where that was concerned, and I really appreciated that because it wasn't more only fun, but I really understand him, and I'm looking really forward to do some more work with him. Chris now actually surprised me because when Chris started to sing, I'm like, wow, him sound good. To be honest, I never expected him to sound so good. But he pulled it off, and we spent hours there. He was focused, he was determined, and I think his approach to his sport, he brought some other attitude into his recording.
Last month, Chris Gayle released his first collaboration, Groove, with British Indian singer Avina Shah. The song reached 1 million views on YouTube. In September, he dropped Living the Life on his 41st birthday, and before that, Chris was featured on the remix for Too Hot by UK dancehall star Styler G. It's safe to say that Chris Gayle is taking the music business seriously. Criticism mounts over the wax sculpture of Calypso star Mighty Sparrow. The original photo, which was posted on Facebook by the Chase Files, mostly received backlash from people who thought the wax figure did not do justice to the image of the great Calypso artist. In response to the criticism, the sculptor behind the Sparrow wax figure at the Caribbean Wax Museum in Barbados referred to it as simply a bad photo for what looks like a botched job, and encouraged people to visit the museum to see the life-sized wax figure for themselves. The work of the Caribbean Wax Museum is centered around celebrating our Caribbean icons while they're still alive, and also paying tribute to those who have passed. It houses over 50 figures, including Mighty Gabby, Fidel Castro, Jamaican reggae legend Bob Marley, and of course sprint star Usain Bolt. The figure from Mighty Sparrow was unveiled earlier this week, with Prime Minister of Barbados Mia Moore-Motley paying tribute via phone. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E Prime.